Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bakana. So I'm going to show you guys my most worn outfits or most worn pieces in Jamaica. I was just in Jamaica for about 4 months. My family and the majority of my family is still back in Jamaica, so I try to go back as much as possible, whether it be in the summer or around Christmas time. And yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. These are my most worn items. Also, give this video a like and comment and subscribe, and go check out my vlogs and anything else that you might find interesting. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna start off with the tops. This top is like a Hawaiian styled, like my father just went on a cruise t-shirt type top. You know what I'm talking about? Ooh. It's really comfortable, and I wore it basically every chance I got. If it was clean, I had it on. It's really cool. It has this like leaf type design, and it's it gives off this metallic color. I really like it. It's very, very comfortable, and I wear it with everything. I wear it with shorts, I wear it with jeans, my leggings, skirts, everything. The other top that I have is kind of a similar color. Oh, this was thrifted. This was thrifted, but I'll try to find some and leave some link below to some that I think, you know, look kind of similar or in the same category. This top is from Forever 21. And it has these like eyelids. Is it called eyelid cuts? Whatever the hell they're called. Petal cut type holes in them. If you look at it, you see what I'm talking about. These little holes. And it cinches. It's a crop top, but it cinches where the crop part is. It's very, very, very cute. And I really like it. You can wear it up, like on your shoulder, or you can wear it off the shoulder. I love this color because this color just gives you such a tan look. Make you look like, you know, you've been bathing in the sun. I really like it. Most of the color scheme in here is jeans, a dark gray, or like a orange yellow color. I don't know why, but these are my most worn items. This is also from Forever 21, and it's another crop top. Forever 21 is the best place to go if you just want to buy some little on-trend summer stuff for really cheap. So it's a crop top. I find it very, very, very cute, and it's very easy to style. It's tied in the front, but it's like a fake tie, so you can untie it, but like, why would you untie it? And it has this little cutout under the tie. It doesn't really show. I can't really show. You'll see in the try-on part. But I like it. It's very cute, and it's, like I said, very easy to style. So those are my 3 most worn tops. I'm gonna jump into the bottoms. Now this I really, really love. It's from Nasty Gal. It's this camo skirt, and I love the color of it. It's not like your regular camo color, the green or, you know, the orange or bright yellow looking camos that people be wearing. This is very neutral. You can wear it with anything. I actually wore these 2 together before. And I think I wore this and this together. I know, I'm very weird, but it looked cute. I like it because it makes your butt look really good. I don't know like how it's sewn, but it makes my butt look really good whenever I put it on. The next thing is this jeans pants I distressed. I thrifted the pants, and then I cut it up. I distressed it. I cut holes in the back, like underneath the butt, because I thought that was such a cute trend. Then I actually cut a hole down in the bottom because I thought that was a cute trend as well. But then all over the front, there's just a bag of holes. So that's a bag. There's a bag of hole in the front. So it kind of cute. I really like it. And when I was a little bit heavier, well, not heavier, I was like 5 pounds heavier. It fit a bit tighter, but now it fit like loose boyfriend jeans. Yeah. There's another shorts. Well, it's not shorts, but, well, the one back there, so it wasn't a short, so it's jeans. The other one is a shorts that I distressed as well. I cut down the bottom parts. Yeah, this I wore all the time. This and this are my two most worn items all the time. I love this short so much because it's so cute, it's so comfortable, and yeah, it even said riders in the back. You know, I'm about to ride them in style and always cute. It's not that short, but it's short. The next piece of clothing that I wore is another skirt, but this one is it's long. It reaches all the way down to my ankles, and it's from Fashion Nova. It's a camo, so this is like your more popular camo color. It's just what's that skirt called? It's just a fitted skirt, and it goes all the way down to your ankles. I really like it. I think it's very cute. I normally wear it with the white tops. I actually wore this and this together as well. Yeah, I'm weird, but like I said, it was cute. And then, oh, I thought that was the last piece. This is actually the last bottom that I have, which is inside out. Hold on. So this is from Pink. It's just a pair of leggings. This leggings though it sculpts your butt. I can't begin to tell you how my butt make it pum pum look good too, but I did not aim for my pum pum to look good in no clothing, like unless it was my swimsuit or, you know, behind the scenes, you know. But I remember I was walking from Emancipation Park because I thought I was gonna go exercise and I didn't. I just sat down and watched people. But I was walking back, and even going there, like, this wasn't in my head at all, but I was walking back and this man walked by me and he was like, pum pum look fat. I'm like, excuse me? So disrespectful. And then I just realized all throughout the journey of me going back home, every male in Half a Tree was just commenting about my vagina looking fat in this. So I'm just like, wow. Even my cousin, when I got home and I saw my cousin, she's like, so yeah, show everybody here something? But I'm like, no, that was not my intention. But hey, if that's your intention, this is the perfect thing to go by. But I do like the cutouts that they have in the bottom. It's not very noticeable when you have it on. It's like very minimal. It's not like the huge holes that were in my jeans. But like I said, it makes your butt look good and it makes your pum pum look good. So go get it. So the last couple items that I have are dresses. This dress, which is also inside out. I don't know why all my items are inside out. This dress is just a regular, you know, regular Stegler dress, but this also makes my butt look really good, so I love wearing it. It cinched my waist and made my butt look good because I have the little drawstring here, which you don't really need to tie it or untie it. It is non-functional. I don't think I've untied this in like years because I've had this for a long time. It buttons up a little bit in the front, like by the bust area, so you can unbutton it lower, but it only has, I think, 3 buttons. It's very cute. I feel like you can wear this anywhere. You can wear it at a family function, and it's very appropriate. It's like it hits me a little bit above the knee, and it looks really good. Why the fuck you lying? So the next dress I have, this, I don't know where this is from. I think I got this at Macy's. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'll link very similar items. If I can't find the items, I'll link very similar items down below. This dress, again, is from Forever 21. It buttons all the way down. All the buttons are functional, and it has this slit. Has a slit in the front. It's very cute and very simple. I like I said, the color scheme. I really do like it. It complements my skin tone very well, especially when I get a little bit darker and a little bit more golden. Yeah, so it's very functional and very basic. And then the last item that I got from Macy's. It's this dress. It's this jeans dress. Let me tuck in the pocket. Yes, So it's this jeans dress. It's very cute. The zipper is also functional. You can zip it down all the way. I don't know why you would do that. You could just zip it down a little bit to, you know, show a little bit, or you can zip it all the way up. I normally wear this with a sports bra or like a tank top, or I've worn this underneath this because it doesn't cover your chest that well. You know, you'll see. It really does not cover your chest that well, so you're gonna need something underneath it. If you wanna show the world your goods, then show the world your goods. But yeah, it's actually very cute, and it's distressed down at the bottom, and it's distressed at other parts of the dress, as you can see along this, and as you'll see in the try on. So yeah, those are my most worn items. I love all of them, and I think when this summer comes, I'm gonna still wear all these items, because what's the point of buying clothes if you're just gonna wear it that one time and, you know, that shit wear something. Get your money's worth, and I wore these a lot. I took pictures in them a lot, and I'm gonna keep wearing them a lot. So thank you for watching. Remember, give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.
A boy like me not mad. Me not mad over no girl. As a boy like we not mad.